true and false virology. Number 1 is a chronic carrier state may occur in following. Option 1 is hantavirus infection, false. Option B is hepatitis A, false. Option C is hepatitis B, true. Option D is hepatitis C, true. Option E is smallpox infection, false. Number 2. The following marker are usually present in hepatitis B, carrier with chronic active hepatitis. Option 1 is HBeAg, which is true. Option B is anti-HBcLg, G is true. Option C is anti-HBcLgM, which is false. Option D is HBV DNA, true. Option E is HBsAg, is true. Number 3. The following statement are true. Chronic HBV infection may respond to interferon therapy, is true. Chronic HCV infection may respond to interferon therapy, true. Chronic HCV infection may respond to ribavirin therapy, true. Hepatitis delta infection may be prevented by vaccination against HBV, true. Hepatitis E infection may be prevented by vaccination, is false. Number 4. The following viruses can be transmitted by blood. 1. Hepatitis A, true. B. HIV, true. C. HTLV1, true. Option D is HBV, is true. The following viruses are associated with gastroenteritis. 1 is astroviruses, B is Norwalk-like viruses, C is picornaviruses, option D is adenoviruses, option E is rotaviruses. Option 1 is true, B is true, C is false, D is true, E is true. Number 7. The following viruses are transmitted from animal to human. Option 1 is rabies viruses, true. Polio viruses, false. Option C is CMV, false. Option D is hantaviruses, true. Option D is Lassa fever viruses, is also true. Number 8. The following is true of rabies virus. 1. The majority of cases worldwide result from bat bites, is false. Infection may be prevented by active and passive immunization, is true. C. Human rabies vaccine is live attenuated vaccine, is false. The animal reservoir different from country to country, true. May be diagnosed by serology, is true. Number 9. The following viruses are associated with human cancers. Option 1 is HCV2, false. Number 2 is EBV, true. Number 3 is HCV, also true. Number 4, adenoviruses, false. Number 5, HHV8, true. Number 10. The following viruses may cause congenital infection. 1 is HSV2, option 1 is true. Number 2, rubella, true. Number 3 is HIV, true. Number 4 is HBV, true. Number 5 is CMV, also true. Number 11. The following viruses have reverse transcriptase. Option 1 is HIV, true. Number 2 is parvovirus, false. Number 3, HBV, true. Number 4 is CMV, also true. 12. The following viruses replicate in nucleus. Option 1 is herpesviruses, true. Number 2 is pox viruses, false. Number 3 is picornaviruses, false. Number 4 is arthromyxoviruses, also true. Number 13. The following are viral zoonoses. Option 1 is rubella, false. B is rabies, true. C is hantaviruses, true. 4 is Lassa fever, true. 5 is Japanese encephalitis, is also true. Number 14. Reassortment of genes may occur with. Option 1 is HCV1, false. B is HBV, false. C is HIV, false. 4 is influenza virus, true. 5 is rotaviruses, also true. Number 15. The following statements are true of prions. 1. Readily inactivated by autoclave at 121, false. Contain, false. Have long incubation period, true. Highly immunogenic, option 4 is false. May be readily cultured, option 5 is false. Number 16. The following are slow viruses diseases. Option 1 is herpes simplex encephalitis, false. Creutzfeldt Jakob disease, true. Number 3. Subacute sclerosing panencephalitis, true. Number 4 is rabies, false. Number 17. HCV1 infection may be result in. Option 1 is encephalitis, true. Number 2 is gangriostomattis, true. Option C is genital herpes, true. Number 4 is corneal ulcers, true. Number 5 is shingles, false. Number 18. The following viruses are associated with vascular rash. Option 1 is rubella viruses, false. Second, measles viruses, false. Number 3 is parvoviruses, false. Number 4 is HCV1, true. Number 5 is VZV, true. 19. Cytomegaloviruses, CMV, is. Option 1 is primary infection is usually asymptomatic, true. B. Infectious mononucleosis like syndrome may occur during primary infection, true. 3. May cause severe infection in immunocompromised individuals, true. May cause congenital infection, true. Number 5. Reactivate from time to time, is also right. All of above are right about CMV. Number 20. Epstein-Barr viruses, EBV, is associated with. Option 1 is infectious mononucleosis, true. Option 2 is Kaposi's sarcoma, false. Option 3 is Burkitt's lymphoma, true. Option 4 is nasopharyngeal carcinoma, is also true. Number 5 is adult T-cell lymphoma, false. 21. HHV8 is associated with. Fifth diseases, false. Rosella infantum, false. Kaposi's sarcoma, true. 4. Nasopharyngeal carcinoma, false. 5th, oral leukoplakia, false. 22. Following viruses are thought to cause gastroenteritis. Option 1 is enteroviruses, false. Option B is caliciviruses, true. Option C is Norwalk-like viruses, true. Option 4 is astroviruses, true. Number 5 is paramyxoviruses, false. 23. The following statements are true. Option 1 is influenza A may undergo antigenic shift. Option 1 is true. B. Influenza B may undergo antigenic shift. Option B is false. 3. Influenza A may undergo antigenic drift. Option 3 is true. Option 4. Influenza B may undergo antigenic drift. Option 4 is true. 5. Influenza B may respond to amantadine is false. 26. During the incubation period of HIV infection, there is little HIV replication. False. Option second is HIV is mainly integrated into the genome of long-lived cell population. False. Option C is high turnover of CD4 cells. True. 4. The viral load has a direct bearing the prognosis. True. 5th, little antibody against the HIV involved. 5th is wrong. 27. Hepatitis A infection is first may result in chronic infection. False. May be prevented by immunoglobulin. True. 3. May be prevented by vaccination. True. Number 4 is highly infectious during the jaundice phase. False. 28. Hepatitis B infection is may result in chronic infection. True. May result in cirrhosis of liver. True. Option 3 is may result in hepatocellular carcinoma. True. Option 4 is highly infectious when positive for HBeAg. True. May response to interferon therapy. True. All of these are true. 29. The following statement are true for hepatitis B core escape mutant. 1. Associated with fulminant hepatitis. True. Second, HBeAg positive. False. 3. Anti-HBeAg antibody positive. True. 4. HBV DNA positive. True. 5th, anti-HBsAg antibody positive. False. 30. Hepatitis C virus is option 1 is may be transmitted by blood. True. Second is associated with hepatocellular carcinoma. Is true. Option 3 is may response to interferon therapy. True. Option 4 is has one stable genotype only. False. 5th, may cause chronic infection. False. Measles viruses are infection may result in pneumonia. Option 1 is true. Second, infection may result in encephalitis. True. Number 3 is undergo antigenic drift. False. Option 4 is may respond to acyclovir. False. Number 33, influenza A virus is may undergo antigenic shift and antigenic drift. True. B, may cause pandemics. True. Option 3, response to rimentidine is true. Option D is response to neuraminidase inhibitor. True. Option 4 E is vaccination confirmed lifelong protection is false. 34. Paramyxoviruses may cause 1 is croup. True. Second is maculopapular rash. False. Pneumonia. True. Bronchiolitis. True. Diarrhea. False. 35. Parvoviruses. Option 1 is cause Rosella infantum. False. B, causes erythema infectiosum. True. Is teratogenic. False. May cause abortion. True. 37. Human T lymphotropic virus 1 HTLV1 is associated with Burkitt's lymphoma. False. Adult T cell lymphoma. True. Tropical spastic paraparesis. True. D, multiple sclerosis. False. E, Hodgkin's lymphoma. False. 38. HIV infection may lead to dementia. True. Chronic diarrhea. True. CMV irritantis. True. Esophageal candidiasis. True. Non-Hodgkin lymphoma.